All right, if you're currently decorating hard goods, say something like this coffee mug, and you're using a pressure sensitive material like sign vinyl, then you've got to keep watching because I'm going to show you how to take those products next level. What's up everyone, I'm Kelly Walters and today we are going to be decorating with patches and emblems, but the peel and stick style. You do not need a heat press to do what we are getting ready to do, so follow along. It's going to be a really easy and simple process, but you're going to leave knowing that you can take basic everyday hard goods and really take them to the next level, whether it's for your brand or your customer's brand. So let me show you what we're working with and how to decorate these goods. Okay, so we have an assortment of patches and emblems in front of me. Now, all of these are the same patches and emblems that you would order with a heat applied backing, meaning you would need the 360 IQ cap press, or you would need the auto clam with the power platen, the dual, the air. The only difference is we've chosen to have a pressure sensitive backing. So what that means is you are going to peel, right? We're going to peel away this backing, and then all we have to do is align and stick to whatever hard good we are using. We have an array of products and options. We've got our dome option. We've got another dome here, but with metallic. We've got our flex style in the clear option. We've got flex style with texture. We have a genuine leather patch. We've got 3D embroidery, another 3D embroidery, and then of course a regular embroidered patch. But they all have this pressure sensitive backing on the back. So if it's a non-porous item, then the 3M adhesive on the back of these items is going to stick and apply, adhere, and lock on to whatever that good is. Now, what I do recommend is that when you are decorating for yourself or a customer, when you peel and apply, we want to make sure that it sits there for 24 hours. That way that adhesive can really cure onto that item and create that nice quality type of product that we want to send to our customers. So we are going to decorate with a couple of these. That way I can show you a variety of different options as well as hard goods. So let's go over the hard goods. Now, while there are so many hard goods out there that would be excellent for something like this, let's not forget power banks. Let's talk about decorating laptop cases and tablet cases as well. Those are becoming more and more popular. So keep those in the back of your mind as we also decorate this glass mug. We're going to be decorating an acrylic keychain, a candle, and of course a small notebook. Now we are using a variety as well. We're using the dome with a little bit of texture, metallic. We're using dome, the peacock that is full of color, the 3D embroidered patch, and just a regular embroidered patch. So let's get these applying and check out the results. So for our glass mug, we are going to be using a football type of design. Now, one way to think about this is this could be whether it is a sports themed related for universities. You could even do something very specialized for this when it comes to holidays like Father's Day or graduation type gifts. This is very, very easy to do. Like I said, we're just gonna peel and stick. There is 3M labeled on the back of this, so we do know it is a nice 3M adhesive. And this is just a really, really easy application. We just need to figure out where we want the logo to apply, press in the middle, and then work our way out. We just want to make sure everything is adhered onto the glass properly, and then we will peel away the clear carrier. So our design is complete. This is easy, super, super convenient to do. And of course, if you have a non-specific style logo, you can use this for a variety of different schools or of course occasions. Then you could come in with some personalization using pressure sensitive sign vinyl. All right, so let's keep moving on. All right, so up next we have our acrylic keychain. Now this was purchased off of Amazon and we've added the tassel on here. You do have to connect these pieces, but that's okay. That takes seconds. Now our peacock is full of color here and we do have the dome effect. So it's going to be raised. It's going to come to life, especially when it's on this round keychain. Same type of process. We're going to peel. And next we just want to make sure that our design is in the middle of the keychain. Now doing something like this really gives you that true elevated type of customization, whether you are decorating really for anything, whether it's corporate office, schools, specific type of markets, whether it's a bride, bridesmaid, wedding, kids. Kids love keychains. And now you have that really, really nice elevated logo on just a basic acrylic keychain. Not only does this elevate, it's one of the words I love to use when it comes to our patches and emblems, but you have warranted a higher price just for something very, very simple and easy to make. Now, again, this gives you personalization opportunity on the back. So just because we are elevating and going next level on one side, do not devalue the other side to where you still can't use something like sign vinyl to still hit that personalization, which warrants a higher price. So this thing is full of upsell. And I know that I've really loved how acrylic keychains have been turning out using our flex style. Even with an emblem, an embroidered patch, you can still create the same type of effect. Now up next is our basic candle. This does not have a brand anywhere on it. So whether you are wanting to do some type of branded candle or just a basic candle where you want to brand it yourself, either one is going to work. But let's take this for the school market, and we're going to be taking our 3D embroidered patch, and we can either put it on the lid or we can put it on the glass of the candle. So let's just peel, apply, and because there is not a center on a round item, no matter where you're going to place it, you could essentially make it the center. So this one is almost foolproof in terms of lining up. But now we have branded a candle in a sports theme with that 3D embroidered look that could be on bags or hats or polos that could be running around the school. All right, last but not least is taking just a plain notebook. Then we're going to take our embroidered patch, again, with the same pressure sensitive peel and stick type of adhesive. And we're going to really go next level with this. Now you have the ability for something so simple to, let's go in the middle for this one. Allow customers to sell this type of product in their store or their retail space. Maybe it's even a school store that we've branded with a school or university logo. Maybe it's for a corporate office that they are doing onboarding for employees and we've given them something a little bit nicer without doing any type of print on here. It is now textured, it's dimensional, and it really looks nice. This is something that somebody would want to hold on to versus just tossing out, even if they didn't use it or they were finished with it. All right, guys, so there's a couple of details I want to go over with our patches flex style. So emblems and patches is what they're called on our website. But we work a lot with either the embroidered patches, 3D embroidery, or we call it flex style. And within flex style, there's dome, there's clear, there's edge, there's texture. There's a variety of different options. Now, the minimum piece is 25 pieces, and it would be a little bit more difficult to do any type of personalization unless somebody was wanting to order their name that many times. So just keep that in mind as you're planning out your projects. Now, the other thing to consider is if you only need 5 or 7 of, one particular style, but you're decorating on 4 or 5 different pieces, then all you need is that 25 piece minimum to hit that order. So don't let the 25 pieces scare you if that is something where like, oh, that's normally a little bit higher quantity than what I work with. The sweet spot is 100 pieces for flex style, so really go for the maximum, not maximum, but for that higher quantity. That way you are able to give a better price to your customer and of course have a higher margin for yourself. Now, these all turned out wonderful. I love how they look. And remember, it's just going a little next level for your customer. So make sure that you charge a higher price, as these definitely warrant that. Now, if you have any questions, you can always pop them below in the comments, reach out to the customer service team here at Stahls, and we'll definitely take care of you. If you're curious if we sell the equipment to make these type of logos, no, this is a service that we offer for you. So all you have to do is go to stahls.com, upload your artwork, select patches and emblems, and we will walk you through the questions to make sure that your order and request is put in correctly. Now, once you submit your artwork, you approve your artwork, we're gonna send them to you ready to go. So all you have to do is peel and stick just like I showed you. I hope you guys enjoyed taking your hard goods next level. Really go out there and have fun with this one because there is so much that you can truly do. If you're already decorating on hard goods and you're using our patches and emblems, please tell us below because I personally love to see what our customers have created. I'm Kelly Walters, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.